Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Spy Gadgets is probably one of the most exciting and imaginative toys for kids who love to play detective or secret agent, transforming their playtime into thrilling adventures filled with mystery, puzzles, and covert operations. This video will uncover the top spy gadgets designed specifically for young aspiring ninjas, ensuring both fun and safety. Number 5. SpyX Micro Gear Set. Introducing the SpyX Micro Gear Set, for real spy gadgets for aspiring young agents. This kit is perfect for kids who love imaginative play and solving mysteries. It includes a micro ear light for seeing in the dark, an invisible ink pen for secret messages, a motion alarm to protect their base, and a micro listener for eavesdropping. It's all a young spy needs. This amazing set is a Creative Child Magazine Product of the Year award winner. It's both fun and educational, encouraging creative problem-solving and imaginative play. With these tools, your child can complete secret missions, write coded messages, and protect their hideout. It's everything they need to become a super spy. The set even includes an adjustable utility belt to keep all the spy gear organized and ready for action. It's hands-free and always ready for the next mission. There are 28 SpyX toys in total. This is a perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. Get ready for adventure. What we like. It has 4 cool gadgets, including a micro ear light and invisible ink pen. The adjustable utility belt lets kids carry their gear. This award-winning set is perfect for imaginative play and makes a great gift for kids who love spy adventures. What people say. This kit is great for kids with siblings as it is great to track, warn of invading siblings and listen in on your sibling. It's nice that everything fits on a spy belt via belt clips. Her favorite gadgets were the motion detector, and the invisible ink pen. This pen has a secret compartment that kids paper for on-the-fly spy notes and a UV light to reveal the secret message you just wrote. The LED light is a very nice laser pointer style spy light that fits over ear. 9 years old with an FBI-themed birthday. He loved that they all go on a belt, and clip on his body. I think that is his favorite part. Number 4. SuperSpies Spymaster Kit. It includes a tool belt, light-up goggles, listening devices, motion detector, secret spy pen, and more. Everything your young agent needs for exciting missions. This kit has a motion detector to alert you of nearby movement and a listening device to pick up sounds from a distance. Stay one step ahead of the competition. The disc launcher adds an extra element of excitement and action to your missions. Get ready to launch discs with precision and accuracy. Write hidden messages with the secret spy pen and see in the dark with the light-up goggles. It's the perfect combination for covert operations. The adjustable belt and agent's badge complete the look and feel of a real spy. It's the perfect accessory to enhance imaginative play. Need help? Our customer service team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. We're here to support your adventures. What we like. This kit is packed with gadgets like light-up goggles, a motion detector, and a disc launcher. It's great for kids who love high-action spy games and want a comprehensive set of tools. The surveillance features add a layer of excitement to their missions. What people say. Seems to keep my 7-year-old busy for long periods of time. So far, my 8-year-old grandson loves playing with it and using the microphone to hear things. He loves to hide the recorder and the motion detector around the house and outside. Number 3. National Geographic Spy Science Kit. Embark on an exciting journey into the world of espionage with this incredible spy kit. It's packed with everything you need to become a master spy. Get ready for action. This kit includes all the tools for 10 thrilling missions. You'll use invisible ink, a periscope, and more to crack the case. Learn to look around corners, send secret messages, and gather clues just like a real spy. It's an adventure filled with mystery and intrigue. It's more than just fun and games. This kit helps you develop valuable skills such as observation, code breaking, and organization. You'll be surprised at what you learn. Discover the fascinating history of spying and the clever techniques used by spies throughout history. Each mission reveals a new piece of spycraft history. We're committed to providing the best hands-on science toys. If you have any issues, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like. It comes with everything needed to complete 10 secret missions. It's perfect for kids who enjoy hands-on activities and learning while playing. This kit teaches valuable skills like observation and code breaking, making it a fun and educational experience. What people say. It has spy glasses and a periscope. I didn't see that periscope in other spy sets, so chose this set for that in particular. This is a real classic. Includes several essential tools for the young clandestine operator to be. He especially loved the invisible ink. It kept him busy and off his electronics for a long while. Number 2. GirlZone Ultimate Secret Agent Set. Unleash your inner spy with this amazing writing set. It's packed with everything you need to write secret messages and solve mysteries. This kit includes everything for creating and decoding secret messages. Get ready for some serious spy fun. Look the part with the included spy glasses and ID card. It's time to embark on your secret missions. Design your own secret codes and puzzles with this ultimate spy kit. The possibilities are endless. It's the perfect creative outlet for kids who love imaginative play. Let your creativity shine. This set makes a fantastic birthday or holiday gift for any young aspiring detective. It's sure to be a hit. What we like. This set includes a spy pen, stationery paper, and spy glasses. It's ideal for kids who enjoy creative writing and role-playing games. It's a great alternative to screen time and encourages imaginative play. What people say. She loves it and has so much fun with it. She absolutely loved all the different parts, including the great spy glasses. This product was super fun and entertaining. It came with sticky pads, spy pens, and so much more. Number 1. Spy Ninjas Project Zorgo Voice Morpher. Get ready for some super spy action. This amazing device lets you change your voice, just like a secret agent. Simply plug it into your computer's USB port and you're ready to go. It's that simple. It offers a variety of fun and exciting voice options to choose from. Transform your voice in seconds. Use it to create disguises, send secret messages, or just have some fun. It's perfect for any mission. With its easy-to-use interface and multiple voice options, it's the perfect tool to unleash your inner spy. Get yours today. It provides endless hours of fun and excitement. Prepare for countless missions and adventures. What we like. It's a unique voice-changing gadget. It's perfect for kids who love technology and want to add a special touch to their spy games. It's a fun and engaging way to enhance their role-playing adventures. What people say. She said, "I like it because I can change your voice. My daughter loved this as a birthday gift. She loves the spy ninjas and was stoked to see this when she opened her gifts. A lot of stuff for the price too." You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.